All right, on our agenda this week, virtue ethics. And I think you're going to find this is a really interesting theory of ethics, and it's very different from the theories we've explored previously. Unlike egoism and utilitarianism, virtue ethics doesn't concern itself primarily with the outcomes of our actions. And unlike Kantianism and natural law theory, it's not concerning itself primarily with the inherent nature of the actions that we take. Instead, virtue ethics is focused on character and character development, and on the kinds of actions that we need to take in order to become good at being the things that we are, people. Virtue ethics focuses on human flourishing. And virtue ethics argues that in order to do the kinds of things that good people do and do the kinds of things that allow us to flourish as the human beings that we are, we have to embrace an inventory of virtues that will give us the disposition toward doing the right thing. Now, as you're exploring this ethical theory this week, I'd ask you to have in mind what we explored last week, natural law theory, and to just be aware that these two theories of ethics are much, much older, by a long shot, by thousands of years, much older than the other ethical theories that we've studied. These are way older than egoism, utilitarianism, all of the others we've looked at. Okay, so these are very old theories of ethics. And as I think I might have argued to you last week in natural law theory, I think that virtue ethics and natural law theory, working hand in glove over so many thousands of years, are probably largely responsible for the development of Western civilization. So here you are, you're stepping into this flow of history that is many thousands of years old, and you're now participating in it. And I would ask that you enjoy that you're getting to insert yourself into the flow of history, into the history of ideas that has been approaching for a very long time. And now here you are meeting up with it. All right, so you know the routine this week. You've got some questions to answer, some reading to do, some quizzes to do, some lectures to watch, and so on and so forth. So if anything comes up that I can help with, as always, just shoot me an email.